How to process a credit card tipping transaction. Tipping authorisation. This transaction requests the approval for the purchase to proceed. The transaction is not a financial transaction but verifies that the cardholder has the funds available for the intended purchase. If approved, the authorised amount is held until the purchase is completed. First, press Menu and then select the Tipping menu. Then press 1 to select Authorisation. Then key in the purchase amount followed by the Enter key. Then insert your card. Then select the credit account on the screen. Processing now will be displayed on the screen. Then, signature required will be displayed on the screen and a receipt will be generated. Tear the receipt off and ask the cardholder to sign the receipt. Verify the cardholder's signature with the signature on the back of the card. If the signature matches, press Enter to accept. Signature accepted will be displayed on the terminal screen after it has been accepted. Tip transactions. Adding or adjusting the tip amount to a transaction. First, press Menu, then select the Tipping menu. Then press 2 to select Tip Adjust. Select the desired search criteria by pressing the corresponding number on the terminal to retrieve the stored transaction. Press 1 for trans number. Then key in the transaction number, which can be obtained from the receipt. The terminal will display "Please wait" while retrieving the selected transaction from the terminal. Transaction details are displayed. Then press Enter will be displayed. To add or adjust the tip amount, press Enter. Key in the tip amount that has been specified by the cardholder, then followed by the Enter key. Note: the tip amount can only be 20% of the authorised amount. Press Enter if the amount is correct. The tip amount has been added to the transaction. Repeat the steps again to add another tip to the transaction, or press Clear to return to the Paymark EFTPOS screen. Tipping utilities. Under Tipping utilities, there are 3 menus available to perform. 1. Print tipping. 2. Void tip. 3. Upload tip. 1. For printing tips. This function allows the merchant to print the pending tip transactions individually that are currently stored on the terminal. Press Menu and select Tipping menu. Then press 3 to select Utilities. Press 3 to perform Print function. Select the desired search criteria by pressing the corresponding number to retrieve and print the pending tip transaction. Press 1 for transaction number. Key in the transaction number, which can be obtained from the receipt. The terminal will display "Please wait" while retrieving the stored transaction. Details of the selected transactions are displayed. Press Enter to print the pending transaction. Pending tip transaction receipt is being printed. 2. For void tip. This function allows the merchant to avoid a credit card tipping transaction. Note: when voiding tip, the entire tip transaction will be voided. Press Menu and select Tipping menu. Press 3 to select Utilities. Press 1 to perform Void Tip function. Select the desired search criteria by pressing the corresponding number on the terminal to retrieve the stored transaction. Press 1 for transaction number, then key in the transaction number, which can be obtained from the receipt. The terminal will display "Please wait" while retrieving the selected transaction. Transaction details is displayed. Press Enter. Press Enter to cancel the tip transaction. Transaction void receipt is printed once the transaction is voided. 3. For uploading tip transactions. This function is used by the merchant to transmit all stored credit card tip transactions. Press Menu and select Tipping menu. Press 3 to select Utilities. Then press 2 to perform Upload Tip Transactions. Verify the totals of the tip transactions. All correct, press Enter to upload. The terminal will go through and upload all tip transactions now. Once all the transactions are successfully uploaded, Transmission Complete will be displayed.